Okay, it is the night of December 19th. Earlier in the day, I got cut off before I was going to say the prediction. The last prediction I heard was 18 to 25 inches of snow. This is the view from inside my house, from looking out in the backyard. I tried to put the light on my camera, but it's got a big, really bad glare. So I don't know if you can see. Try to. That's the back gate fence. It's my neighbor's fence. See, that's where I was getting the glare. I'm trying to get the snow blowing from. That's my awning. See, I know you can't see it, but you can see the snow's blowing really bad at this point. I just was outside out front for like 45 minutes shoveling, and as soon as you shovel, there's already a layer back on top of it. But somebody shoveled earlier outside. This is a view of the nice, lovely lot outside my house. And I wish I would have had my camera outside, because the lovely little girl from 2 doors up, I haven't seen her in a while. I was hoping they moved out, but they didn't. They're renters. Not the house on the other side of this lot here. She's a really little brat. She tells me to go F myself. Yeah, I know, lovely. No, you can't see the snow blowing, but it is. I'm going to try to put this light on, but I don't know if it's going to give a glare. Okay, hang on.